The Diva Smart Dimmer and Remote Kit by Lutron has a dimmer that can be wired as a single-pole switch and also be controlled with the Pico wireless remote. It can be wired as a three-way switch, along with a standard three-way switch, and also controlled with the wireless remote. It can be wired in a four-way circuit, and the wireless remote can be added as an additional switch. You can connect up to 10 remotes to the dimmer. The dimmer doesn't require a neutral wire or hub to work with the remote. To use the smart dimmer with the Lutron app, Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, Ring, or Sonos, you'll need to add a Lutron Smart Hub, which is sold separately. The remote can be set on a table with the optional stand to control your lights, or connected to an existing wall box, or screwed to a wall with the wall plate bracket. It comes with drywall anchors and screws. The battery will last about 10 years. Lutron has a wiring wizard on their website with step-by-step instructions to install the dimmer if you have questions.